Nandini, Vice President Delivery, Global Logic Noida location. So Global Logic traditionally has been operating their healthcare business unit services mostly out of other geographies like Ukraine. But in the last few years, the focus has shifted also to India. So there is a need for healthcare services business to deliver more and more out of India as a location, thanks to the success of Cochlear as an engagement, and also because of the availability of the skills, the expertise and the experience that we have built. This year we are expected to grow the healthcare business by more than 50% in India. So we work with both the medical devices manufacturing companies as well as the healthcare software system service providers. And some of the names that I can share are OCCM, One Call Care Management. Then we work with Health Expense, which is a leader in healthcare payments. We also work with some medical devices manufacturers like Cochlear, which we have already spoken about, and a leader in medical device manufacturers, and we cannot name them. So it's a combination. We work with both the, as I said, the medical device manufacturers as well as the healthcare software, systems providers. And in most of the times, we are their engineering partners, so we do cutting edge work for them. Like in the case of OCCM, they are pretty good at understanding the complexities of the workers' compensation system. So the entire workflow of how the compensation has to be taken care of, right from providing the care, ensuring that the workers are able to get the special services, all of that pain is taken out, and it becomes a very smooth operations. Health Expense, as I mentioned, they have revolutionized the healthcare payments. So, right from you can associate yourself with the medical insurer, then you can pay your bills, then you can do your claims management, ensuring how far you are from the deductibles, and you can manage your payments through income tax friendly payment solutions, and it's completely cloud based, so everything is digitized. You don't have to manage any of your bills, payments and claims, and it's also seamless through the multiple platforms, whether it's a mobile or a web. So these are the kind of work that we do for some of our partners. So healthcare is one of the smallest business units of Global Logic, but it is also the fastest growing business units of Global Logic. And this year we are expected to grow that business unit by about 50%. And Global Logic has traditionally been doing a lot of healthcare and medical device partnerships, but most of them have been executed out of the other geographies of Global Logic. In fact, we've been doing it for over a decade, but in the last few years, it was a conscious decision to shift the focus of the healthcare business unit to operate out of the other geographies as well. And India was chosen as the second geography where we wanted to plant the healthcare business unit. And with the success of Cochlear, which is one of our premier partnerships, where it is very, being a class 2, class 3 medical device, the quality standards are very, very stringent. But with the success of that, we are poised to grow for, really big in the healthcare scene within India. We already have 4 big partnerships that is executed out of India. One of them is One Call Care Management System, which is again in the healthcare space. Then we work with a leading medical device manufacturer, which is in the medical device space. Then we work with Cochlear, and we also work with Health Expense, which is revolutionizing the payment systems. I think every business today is turning out to be a software business, and healthcare is no different. So if you look at the kind of impact software has, I think it's tremendous. It's never been like this before. So right from the medical devices and sensors sending out the data, and software helping us to capture that data, make sense of that data. You can do analysis and then use that data for life-changing, mission-critical decisions, which can help in the care and therapy. So that is definitely one of the biggest boons that software is providing. And also clinicians today are able to get all the information in real time about patients. And patients are also able to figure out their vital stats sitting at their home. And I think all of this is ensuring that there is better remote monitoring of patients and care. And the first one that I spoke about, where devices data is being used, that is what we call as the Internet of Medical Things, and that's a big boom in today's world. Apart from this, of course, software in general is playing a big role in ensuring that whether it's a payer system, providers, clinical care, claims management, all of that is just getting better and better and ensuring a huge impact in the healthcare industry as such. I think the prerequisites of working with medical players, irrespective of India or any other location, is the very high standards of quality that you need to adhere to. Since we work with a lot of medical device manufacturers, we work on the therapy software, as well as healthcare systems. So the quality management system and the kind of certifications and regulatory requirements, all of that play a very important role. Like we are, 13485 certified. We follow 62304, and in Noida, since we just started recently, just a couple of years back, we got ourselves 9001 certified, and we have a roadmap for 13485 certification. We also have to be HIPAA compliant because we work with a lot of healthcare providers, which ensures that we are compliant with that. And we work with a lot of FDA compliant class 2 and class 3 medical devices. So all of this ensures that the quality management system and the regulatory requirements are very, very stringent, and we need to follow it. So I think the current trends, it's catching up in India, given healthcare industry in India is poised for big growth, and I think to the tune of 16.5% compounded annual growth rate every year. So I think it is definitely poised for big growth in the coming years. Although traditionally I'm seeing a lot of hospital management system or clinical OPD management system or pharmacy management system, blood bank management system, and so on, getting a lot of importance in the Indian context. But I'm also seeing the trend towards payments and the sensor-driven capturing of the data and making sense of that. More connected patient management system and connected care systems. I do see a trend moving towards that, and I already spoke about the technology and the software, which is making a huge impact on all of those. I think it is poised, to definitely go in that direction. So we have a dedicated innovation lab for healthcare and the medical business unit, and there's a lot of innovation and hit and trial, and they keep trying out different things. By the sheer, because they work with a lot of medical device systems. So one of the innovations which is, which has been found very, very useful is an Android gateway which has been developed, and that is able to capture the data from the medical devices and sensors and transfer the data on cloud and making the data available to virtually any Android phone. So that is helping the patients also take a look at their vital stats, or the data which is available on cloud to do all kinds of analysis and all kinds of all kinds of decision making from that. The other interesting innovation is data which is captured from the defibrillators and sent to the doctors, nurses, and technicians for the emergency critical care. So it is not just about the vital stats, it's also about the event. So that ensures that in an emergency situation, this team is ready, by the time the patient is, onboarded, and, they are able to save the life of the patient in case of an emergency.